I think the video is ready. Yes, Eddie. Whenever you're ready, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise and have a look at what the boys been through for 2017 Mr. Foundation.
Can we get some music in the background,
As you notice, ladies and gentlemen, these guys came from different backgrounds, different families, different countries, but they all became one at the end of it. They built a foundation and a brotherhood that will last forever. Howie, and Moana, the name of the song.
to Mr. Internet. So this was actually judged online. So those who were voting for our contestants online. So our Mr. Internet winner.
So the Mr. Internet winner is George Lolo.
George, you look beautiful up there with that smile. Okay, then moving right along to our beachwear section, ladies and gentlemen. Our beachwear winner for 2017 is
George Lolo.
traditional wear section. The traditional wear for 2017 is...
Tino Rami.
Contestant number 6, Mr. Tino Rami, is our... Ladies and gentlemen, moving right along to the talent section. This is the one where everyone gets all excited about. Our winner for 2017 is Sharon! Watching that talent section, it was amazing to be really fierce, full of that haka. I really felt the waters of my body break. But ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move right along into the formal section. The winner for 2017 formal section is Mr. Contestant number 9, Jason! Ladies and gentlemen, a woman always needs a very good man behind them. So a man that can speak with a strong voice. We go into the interview section. Our winner for 2017 Mr. Polynesia's interview is the beautiful Shannon.
Your shout, Shannon.
So ladies and gentlemen, that has come down to our categories winners. Now we're going to come down to the chase of our top 4 placings. Our third place winner for 2017's Mr. Polynesian is contestant number 4, Winston. And moving right along into our second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, for 2017. The show has been amazing. This person has truly wowed us. He has been an entertainer for all us judges, especially me. Please welcome our second winner runner-up, Mr. George Lobo. We're coming up to our first runner-up. So this is not the winner, this is the runner-up to the winner. The first runner-up for 2017 Mr. Polynesia is contestant who? No, Cecily. Contestant number 9, Jason! So we come to our final winner. Now just to let you know, in every universe pageant, if something was to happen to the actual winner, Jason will take place. So, for example, if the winner that won tonight decides to faint or get run over by a car, Jason will take over. Okay? Are we ready? Lainara, are you ready for it? Wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, our winner for the first ever inaugural 2017 Mr. Polynesia 2017 is an amazing Shannon! Contestant number 2.
While Shannon is enjoying his celebration with his family and friends, we want you to put your hands together for the wonderful Well Productions crew who has put an enormous work in making tonight possible. Ladies and gentlemen, and with me right now, she is the director of Well Productions, ladies and gentlemen. Lainara Isaya. Special mention the beautiful Rachel Akuola from Annalise Creations for putting together this wonderful, this immaculate, wonderful figure trophy for our awesome winner for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. The beautiful Rachel Akuola, ladies and gentlemen.
And please give it up for all the contestants. Gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you for putting up your hands to participate in this. Thank you, and please, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your winner, Mr. Polynesia Pacifica Australia 2017, Mr. Shannon from New Zealand. Thank you, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, please put your hands together for our wonderful MCs, Kola Kutu, Lance aka Momia Chokes, and the man himself, Dr. Pepper. Oh, sorry.
Thank you. And of course, give it up for my also Junior tomorrow morning at church, I suggest you go home now. And for those who have late service, because I know we all go to church. We all go to church. So for those who are having a late service, you can kick back, you know. Take some photos with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please, before we finish tonight, I would like to everybody to please make the craziest noise for our judges and our scrutineers.
Come on, guys, make some noise for our wonderful judges and our scrutineers.
Arigato, thank you.
Thank you.
No after party. It's because we ran everything in island time. It was supposed to be 10 o'clock finish, and next minute is 12 o'clock. So, thank you. Make yourself a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for yourself. Thank you. This show would be nothing without your
That's
support.
right. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we finish up, we want to hear the loudest cheers that you can possibly give.
Yeah.
After the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Alright. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. God bless. Have a good night. And we will be back bigger, better, and stronger for 2018.
And I encourage you guys to enter for Mr. Polynesia 2018.
Yeah, that's right.
Because I'm gonna be in it. Don't worry about looking for the winner. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much for coming on. Once again, happy Father's Day, mothers! All the baby mothers and baby mamas. Thank you.
And happy Mother's Day to my beautiful mother and my beautiful wife. I love you.
Marvelous.
Oh, yeah, Mom. Thank you. Where's the drinks? Where's the drinks?
Thank you to our sound guys. Please make some noise for our sound guys behind the scenes. You guys went through a crazy night. I'm scripted, I'm programmed. You guys thank you. To the camera guys, thank you. To the whole production team, God bless you. Amen.